Hi folks, it's Carlton from the Pharmacy Seeds Network. Well, I've been waiting for about 2 months to receive this package. I got a package in the mail yesterday, finally got through customs and borders and shipping and all that. And it's a box of chocolates and snacks from my friend Nessie Monster on YouTube here. I'll share a link to her channel. I'm going to open the box right now in this first video, and I'll probably try 1 or 2 things from it, but I can't just sit down and eat a whole pile of candy, so I'm going to make this a series. I'm pretty sure she sent quite a few things here, so we're going to go through them slowly, but I promised her I'd do an unboxing video, and please check out her channel. Nessie's a really cool person. She lives down in New Zealand, so this box came all the way from New Zealand, and these are snacks from New Zealand. Stuff that I've never tried before, so this is going to be really interesting and cool. So let's just see what we got here. I think what I'll do is use 2 cameras for this. One for me talking to you like I am, and the other, if I can find my headlight, so I can get a nice bright shot of all this awesome stuff she sent. Thank you so much, Nessie, for sending these awesome treats. I'm going to get a shot of the box here. Okay. There we go. Alright, there we go. So we got Shapes Originals, Buzz Milk Chocolate Covered Marshmallow and Caramel. Oh, that sounds killer. We got Chalky Fish. We got, wow, there's so much stuff in here. Thank you so much, Nessie. Moro Gold. We got Burger Rings. Yeah, I can't wait to try those. Those sound interesting. We got Tim Tams. Ooh, those look like a, yeah, like a nice cookie. And let's see, Nestle actually makes these. Original Pixie Caramel. The longer lasting chew. Oh, I wonder if that's similar to a Charleston chew. We got Marmite, which Nessie assures me is vastly different from Vegemite. She says Mermite is way much better, and way much better. She did a video on how to eat each of these things. I'm gonna have to go back and review it, but I'm pretty sure the Marmite gets put on toast along with butter. Is the way to do it. I'm pretty sure, if I remember correctly. But I'm gonna go back and rewatch your video, Nessie, and I'll throw a link to that in here as well, so other people can check it out. Oh boy, pineapple chunks. Ooh, is that chocolate covered pineapple? That sounds absolutely killer. Yeah. And I think I've gotten everything in the box here. Yeah. Wow, Nessie, thank you so much. This is such an awesome pile of treats. I really can't wait to try these out. Pardon the headlight. These all look delicious. I'm trying to think. I think I'm going to start with something that I don't think needs any prep work. I really want to try these pineapple chunks, so I think I'm going to try those first. So, the true story of pineapple chunks. When Charles Diver invented this recipe at our Oamaru factory in the early 1950s, he didn't intend to create little chunks of kiwiana. He was just doing what Kiwis do best, innovating. In true Kiwi spirit, Rainbow still used his original recipe with a slight tweak to make it free from artificial flavors and colors. The original. So good. So, classic pineapple chunks with real fruit juice. And they're basically chocolate covered pineapple, I think. And I love pineapple, so chocolate covered pineapple sounds like about the only other thing you could do to make it better. Oh, those are good. Mmm. Oh. Oh. Well, now I'm convinced, Nessie. Your whole goal was to get me addicted, so I would have to move to New Zealand so I could have more classic pineapple chunks. Oh, these are really good. They're like marshmallowy on the inside, but they're also chewy. Yes, yeah, they're kind of marshmallowy. Oh man, these are killer. Mm. Oh man. Thank you so much, Nessie. Oh, these are so good. Wow. I'm glad there's 2 bags of those. So, I don't know what I'll open for the next time, but I'm going to do these in a series of videos. Thank you so much, Nessie, for all these wonderful treats, and I really appreciate it. And I appreciate you being patient with the Postal Service, who likes to take their sweet time sometimes. Thanks again, Nessie. Really appreciate it, and looking forward to trying the next one.